Now, let's say you want to add your sound or music into TikTok. This is what you're going to do. You're going to click on Add Sound. After you bring in your video, you're going to click on Add Sound. And then TikTok shows you two separate sounds here, two separate options. You've got your recommended sound as well as your favorite. Let me reduce this volume because it's too loud. I'm going to click on favorite and see maybe and just get one of the sounds that I had already favorited. And you can decide to edit that sound right there. Edit and choose which section you want of the sound. After you're done, you press done. And you can also, here's where you can also adjust the level. Okay, so the added sound is the sound or music you just added. And the original sound is your voice, whatever sound you captured when you were recording that video. And I'm going to press done. And that's it. As you can see on the top of the screen, it says, it will tell you the name of the sound.